Hello friends, this is Kaushik. Welcome to Gur Kaushik channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss concentrational dressing of the ore. What is meant by concentrational dressing of the ore? Ores that are mined from the earth are usually contaminated with large amount of impurities such as soil and sand, etc. Concentrational dressing means simply getting rid of as much of the unwanted rocky materials as possible from the ore. The impurities like sand and clay are called gangue. Here we should get as far as possible pure or more concentrated ore. Concentrational dressing of the ore is nothing but we are going to remove the impurities which are present in the ore. These impurities are known as the gangue. Enrichment of the ore or concentration of the ore. Various physical methods are used to enrich the ore. In many cases, it is possible to separate the metal compound from unwanted rocky material by physical means. An example for this is froth flotation. The physical methods adopted in dressing of the ore or enriching of the ore depends upon difference between physical properties of ore and gangue. We are going to see now what are the physical properties for concentration or dressing of the ore. First method is hand picking. Hand picking means if the ore particles and the impurities are different in one of the properties like color, size, etc. Using that property, the ore particles are hand picked, separating them from other impurities. This process is known as hand picking. And the second one, washing. Ore particles are crushed and crept on a slopy surface. They are washed with controlled flow of water. Less dense impurities are carried away by water flow, leaving the more dense ore particles behind. And the third one is froth flotation. This method is mainly useful for sulfide ores which have no wetting property, whereas the impurities get wetted. The ore with impurities is finely powdered and kept in water taken in a flotation cell. To get more foam, add few millimeters of pine oil to the mixture. Air under pressure is blown to produce froth in water. Froth so produced takes the ore particles to the surface, whereas impurities settle at the bottom. Froth is separated and washed to get ore particles. And the fourth one, magnetic separation. If the ore or impurity, one of them is magnetic substance and the other non-magnetic substance, they are separated using electromagnets. Now we are going to see froth flotation process. In the background picture, you are seeing the froth flotation process for the concentration of sulfide ores. In this process, the compressed air is sending through the tube and into the flotation cell containing water with pine oil. This tube which is sent into the water having some of the holes in it, the compressed air pressures the water so that the froth in the water means that is nothing but sulfide ore particles will be comes to the upper layer of the water, and the impurities such as gangue are left over in the bottom of the water in the flotation cell. This process is known as the froth flotation process. This is mainly used for concentration of sulfide ores. This process is used for concentration dressing of the ore for sulfide. And the next one is magnetic separation. In the background picture, you will see the magnetic separation process. Here, the powder ore is sending into the moving belt. The moving belt is moving, and the powdered ore particles on it is moving uh, in a path, in a straight path, and in the ending of the you will see the magnetic wheel is present, and the another side is non-magnetic wheel. In the magnetic wheel, the metals means it is nothing but the magnetic particles will be attached to the wheel. At the end of the wheel, we can see that we are falling, and the non-magnetic ore particles from the powder door are falling behind, and the magnet ore is falling in front of that non-magnetic ore. In this process, you can clearly see the non-magnetic ore is separated and magnetic ore is separated. This non-magnetic is known as the gangway, and the magnetic ore is known as the minerals, that is means by metal which is extracted. This is the end of the session. Friends, please subscribe. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you.